back making mac and cheese. Almond milk is inside. All of the recipe will be in the description. I just cut it in half because I want to make less. This is mustard. Vegetable oil I'll do last. Nutritional yeast. As we used before. Paprika. This is so easy. Just follow the recipe. You have garlic and cashews right here. I just put a handful of cashews just because I wanted it to be a little bit nutty. Okay. Some jerk seasoning. Splash of this. Now, usually I'll use parsley, but I only have the oregano, so I'm just gonna spray it over it. Just to give some color. Top. Half of it right now. Feel like it is too wet, just add a little bit of nutritional yeast. So this is my mac. Now I cooked it a little bit under because it's going in the oven, and it can cook the rest of the way in there. So just pour it all on here. mix it. And this is a little bit loose to me, but it's okay. It's gonna be alright. It's not that much in here, so it'll thicken up in the inside of the oven. And I'll cook this for probably about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. But I'll keep checking on it to make sure it's all good. So I'm just gonna get some crushed black pepper seeds as we did before. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the other videos. And crush it on top. This is where you'll put your either fresh parsley or dried parsley. And today I'm just gonna put some oregano and then the black pepper, and then pop it in the oven. I'm just doing this for color, but to give it a little extra flavor. Flavor's always good. And then that's it. And that's it. It's all done. Now if you want it to be a little bit more brown on the top, you just pop it back in and put it on broil and just keep checking until it get as brown as you want it to be. See you guys later.